All right, it's time to do our meteorology segment. And we're streaming live to Twitch for this video. So let's get right into it. First thing, we're looking at our surface winds here of the eastern portion of planet Earth. And next we'll show the jet streams. Those are the winds on the surface. Here's the 250 hectopascal winds, otherwise known as the jet streams. The jet streams are blowing backwards across the western Pacific and the Indian Ocean once again. As you can see here, they're blowing east to west, which isn't the normal flow of things. Chaotic jet stream flow in both hemispheres. Here are the jet streams of the western world. Extremely chaotic jet stream in the northern hemisphere. A little bit more coherent in the south, but also quite chaotic. Here are the surface winds of the western portion of the planet. And this anticyclone, which was bringing a very significant heat wave into the northeast, has now moved farther to the east. So that's allowing the jet stream to push to the east there as well. And that is ending the northeastern heat wave that we saw. And it's a good respite, as it was way too hot. Here's a NASA GOES lightning mapper. We do see some lightning here stretching all the way from British Columbia down to Texas. Not super concentrated, though. Some lightning over the Caribbean and Mexico as well. And here's the real-time lightning map. It's from lightningmaps.org, powered by blitzhaltung.org. And we've got some terrestrial lightning currently in the U.S., just south of Amarillo. Hey, Memphis. Hey, Clarendon. There's thunder rolling in. And if you're in Amarillo, go out and have a look to the southeast. You may be able to get some imagery of some interesting phenomenon there over the cloud tops. And there's the zoom out to the global lightning map. Here are pressure cells. And we'll advance this into tomorrow. And I'll learn how to speak the English language, check the live stream, count my blessings, and go back to that. And for some reason, my map zoomed in on Krakatoa. Must be one of my favorites. Anyway, we'll zoom back out here. Here is pressure. Look at the extremely low pressure here south of South America. A massive pressure gradient on each side of the Drake Passage here. Look at this extremely powerful low pressure system over here and much higher pressure over here. Anyway, we'll advance this into the Euro forecast for tomorrow. There's the Euro forecast for pressure at 12 noon Eastern Daylight Time tomorrow. As that low moves across the Drake Passage itself, there's going to be a lot of water sloshing around back and forth between South America and Antarctica. Next, we're looking at precipitation here through Monday, July 5th. So not all that much precipitation for your holiday weekend there, folks. There's how that is forecasted to play out. That's 1800 Universal Time, 18Z, 18 Zulu, 18 Greenwich Mean Time, 6 p.m. Universal Time, in other words. There is some significant rain here forecasted for the Texas stovepipe and the mainly the Texas stovepipe there. You can see like 6 inches of rain forecasted through there. Here's the weather.gov map. I'll press refresh. There we go. And you can see some flash flood warnings there. Flash flood warnings there in the Texas stovepipe. And also some excessive heat warnings still in the northern Rockies and Pacific Northwest. Here's the U.S. Doppler radar map. If you're wondering what a Doppler radar is, it's measuring vertical motion in the air column. And if it gives you insufficient insight into what will happen with your systems, perhaps check out the cloud layer, or better yet, the water vapor. As the water vapor map shows you water vapor not even condensed onto clouds. The 3.9 nanometer radiation map shows you clouds, or at least it endeavors to. Anyway, once again, here's a recap. There's the U.S. Doppler radar map. A line of storm stretching all the way from eastern New Mexico up to Maine in this big giant arc. And you could say the arc goes all the way to Montana, depending on how much you like to connect the dots. So there's the cloud layer once again. And there's the water vapor. One more time, Doppler radar. Cloud layer. And there's the water vapor. And that's today's meteorology segment. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for leaving a comment. Koreth R. And we can do meteorological stuff for the whole world. That's something that we do plan to do in the future. So for now, it's mainly just U.S. weather. We do have viewers from all around the planet. Anyway, thanks for tuning into the meteorology segment. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network. Least busted, name in news.